Random number system functions in Systemverilog. urandom range, and random are the random generation system functions in Systemverilog. $urandom is a function which will return an unsigned random number, and there is an optional seed you can pass to it. So if you are assigning a is equal to $urandom, a will get a random number, a random unsigned number every time it is getting called. And urandom range is a function which will return a value within a range, a random value within a range. So this is a function definition, int unsigned max val and int unsigned min val. So there are many flavors for this. It returns a random number between the max val and min val. For example, say if you are assigning val is equal to $urandom underscore range 7 down to 7,0, it will get a value. The variable val will get a value between 0 and 7. The min val can be omitted, and by default it will be equal to 0. So if you are calling val is equal to $urandom range of 7, again it's same as this particular statement. And again, if the min val is less than the max val, the arguments will automatically reverse. Or even you can give val is equal to $urandom range 0 to 7, so it will again return a random value between 0 to and 7. And Systemverilog also supports the Verilog function, that is $random. So $random is signed and $urandom is unsigned.